Sometimes we need to explore and have an outdoor adventure. In September 2021, 7 adventurous men rode the Idaho Backcountry Discovery Route. 6 of them were on adventure bikes and me in the Jeep with the camping gear. Dennis and Matt planned this trip, and these are guys that know how to have a good time. I mean, look at that mullet.
Yeah, I think it just doesn't work.
There were hot springs or swimming holes to wash the dust off almost every day. The beauty of Idaho is stunning. It's full of pristine rivers and remote canyons, never-ending forests of burnt trees and curvy roads.
Are we satisfied with the camp, the cabin cleaning?
I didn't sweep the floor yet. But
I did.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I want to get your
The fork seal repair.
professional job here. The seals got dug out with a piece of yogurt lid. And we
That's the
don't.
way to do it, right?
And then oil replaced with some ATF through the Schrader valve up here.
It's got probiotics now.
So, hoping that's fixed. The guys came from all over the U.S. Dennis lives in North Carolina, Sully and Dean, Michigan, Matt, New Mexico, JT, Washington, Ryan, Utah, and I live in Nevada. Even with GS riders dropping flip-flops on the trail, the nature we saw was unspoiled and uncrowded.
Inaccessible, you know, they're terrible.
my soap exploded.
How is your fork seal?
Fucked.
Finnish plurality counties in the U.S. So there are lots of saunas. And they're adamant that it's not a sauna, it's a sauna.
We're almost to the burnt knob turn off. The road got a little rougher here, which is no problem at all for the Jeep. It just it slows down the Jeep a lot more than it slows down the bikes. So two of the guys just passed me.
Okay, I mean, I intend to eat all my food up there, so I'll be up there.
Okay.
Like,
I'll come off now.
There were some falls, but nobody got hurt too bad. Ryan had to bail halfway through in Darby, Montana. We had the latest in off-road trailer technology, designed and built by Dennis. So we had gourmet meals cooked on the camp chef, and we even got to wash our hands.
I will make whatever feelings you have infinitely worse. Let me just grab my Jameson.
are you washing your hands or not?
I'm trying. It's really hard sometimes. It's bothering me.
Don't use our, don't use the nice one.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Good scouting.
Oh, y'all need a beer.
Yeah.
It's, how long have we been in camp? 2 minutes? Y'all don't have a beer yet?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
We had all the luxuries of home, even a hot shower.
Marathoners fit themselves, so. Well, no different.
There's gonna be some great audio on this video.
The peanut gallery. We were able to find nice campsites along rivers and lakes. Nicole let us crash at her house in Mullen for 2 days while she showed us around. We explored an abandoned mine, took the Jeep on some misty logging roads, and went to some cool local bars like the Outlaw in Mullen. I went for a hike, and the guys rode in the rain on their day off from riding.
In other words, no. Don't do it.
Good thing I had my head.
And they would have mined up and chased after the mineral. And gone from there.
We made $7 million.
I'll draw you guys' shoes in.
So on the metal edition of things, as long as
You see that material on top of the timbers that was left behind?
That fell.
So that's still all sitting on the timbers. So the timbers are there. So if you go through there and knock one of those timbers, that 2 feet of material or whatever is going to come down and whack your noggin.
Looks like it's snowing from back in there. Like it's just a white snow behind you.
The sound is strange.
Yeah, it is.
More commitment, more commitment. There you go. There you go. Don't come to me, go over there. Got it. So explain why you're wet.
I really don't think I am wet. I don't know who thinks that, but it's not me.
Looks like we're doing tomato too, right?
Yep.
We said goodbye to JT in Sandpoint, Idaho. We made it to the Canada border, where Dean's GS800 had its second flat tire of the trip. He should really consider upgrading to a KLR. Check out this free campground on the shore of Lake Pend Oreille.
Oh, I can literally any shape.
Can you touch?
Nope.
Nah.
Not even close.
It does seem like it drops off quite fast.
What a great group of guys and a memorable trip. I hope this video helps us remember the trip and we stay friends forever. Thanks to Dennis and Matt for the idea and planning.